Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw to Trust Wallet using TRC-20 addresses, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw to your Trust Wallet using TRC-20 addresses, begin by opening your Trust Wallet app. Next, select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. If you haven't added TRC-20 tokens yet, tap on the Add Tokens button. Search for the token you want to withdraw and enable it. Once added, go back to your wallet and select the token. Tap on Receive to generate your TRC-20 wallet address. Copy the wallet address to your clipboard. Next, open the exchange or platform from which you wish to withdraw. Find the Withdrawal or Send section on the platform. Select the TRC-20 network for your transaction. Paste your Trust Wallet address into the designated field. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Double-check the address and amount to ensure accuracy. Complete any additional security steps required by the platform. Confirm the withdrawal request. Wait for the transaction to process, which may take a few minutes. Once completed, you will receive a notification on your. Open your Trust Wallet to verify the incoming transaction. Check the transaction history to ensure the funds are credited. Congratulations, you have successfully withdrawn to your Trust Wallet using a TRC-20 address. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.